Hello students, a very good morning to all. Today in our English session we will learn short forms in grammar. We can say short form as a contraction also. Okay, it is another word of short form. Let's see how we can use short form in the sentences. A contraction is a short way of saying something. A contraction is one word made from two words. The first word usually stays the same, but in the second word, certain letters are taken out. An apostrophe shows where one or more letters have been taken out, and an apostrophe will fill the space of the missing letters. Okay, see, here are some short forms: isn't, can't, they are, he's. Okay, he's. So these are some short form. Let's see further how we'll use the short form in the sentences. See, contraction with I and am. So I plus am can be set as am. We'll remove a. Instead of a, we'll put apostrophe and we'll write am. Okay, let's see more. Contraction with are. See, they plus are can be set as their. They will remove a, on part of a will use apostrophe. Okay, if there is if apostrophe is there, you remember that one or more letter has been taken out, means removed. Okay, then only it make short form. V plus ARE is equal to VR. VWE apostrophe RE. Okay. In short form, remember apostrophe is necessary. You never missed out to write. Put the apostrophe. Okay. U plus R is equal to U apostrophe RE. In this, we'll remove A. Next is contraction with not. Not, not. In this, we'll remove O. Okay. Not is two words that makes a contraction. We'll leave out O and replace it with apostrophe. Let's see. Have plus not. Haven't. Have and we have removed O. Instead of O, we'll put apostrophe and write T. Is plus not can be set as isn't. Had plus not is equal to hadn't. Had and will remove O, apostrophe and T. Could plus not can be set as couldn't. Should plus not can be set as shouldn't. Can plus not is equal to can't. Will plus not is equal to won't. It will not will be will plus not is equal to won't. हम विलंट नहीं यूज करेंगे. ओके, विलंट इट्स रॉन्ग. इट्स विल बी वोंट. विल का क्या होगा? वोंट. WON apostrophe T. Okay, does plus not can be set as doesn't. Do plus not is equal to don't. Must plus not is equal to mustn't, and would plus not is equal to wouldn't. Let's see more with examples. See, wouldn't, would not, wouldn't, is not, isn't, and have not is equal to haven't. In this, we'll remove two letters H and A. You plus have is equal to you have. We'll remove HA. Instead of HA, we'll put apostrophe. Next is they plus have. So we'll again remove HA, we'll put apostrophe. They, apostrophe and VE. These all are the short forms. Now let's see with the examples. See, we plus will is equal to we will remove w and put wi, will put instead of wi will put apostrophe and double l. It will pronounce we will only, but it is the short form. See, in sentence also we'll write like this. We will go to zoo. They plus are dr. They, we have removed a instead of a apostrophe and will write re. In sentence we'll use the short form only. They are playing in the garden. See, here are more short form. See, he is. In this, he is, we will remove only I. Instead of I, will use apostrophe and s. She is. She, apostrophe s. It is. It, will remove I. Instead of I, will put apostrophe and s. We are. In this, will remove. Yes, I had tell you above. Will remove a. We apostrophe re. We are. They apostrophe re. You are. You apostrophe re. I will. In this, we will remove w and I, two letter. Okay. I apostrophe double L. He will. He apostrophe double L. In this we have removed two letter w and I. I am. In this we will remove only a. I apostrophe am. Let's see example. See, I am having school dinner today. So in this what we will remove? Yes, we will remove letter A. And what shall we put? Yes, we'll put apostrophe. I apostrophe am having school dinner today. There is not any butter left. So how we will write short form? See, there isn't. Is and in not we will remove o. Instead of o, to fill the missing letter we will put apostrophe t. Any butter left. You are too late. In this we will remove, yes, letter A. U apostrophe re, too late. I do not want to play that game. In this, yes, in not you remember, we'll remove O. I don't want to play that game. Thank you. Hope you understand. If any doubt, you can ask. Thank you. Bye bye.